Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make something really sweet, something that my son requested for so long now, and I finally managed to get all the ingredients. And I thought I'm gonna just make a video and show you all how it's been made. I modify original recipe a bit because like the way I used to make when I was younger, it's extremely sweet. So I add few additional products and I hope to balance the sweetness a bit. So I hope you'll enjoy, and let's jump in. Okay, so what we need, we're gonna need biscuits. I use biscuit this time, but you can use any other hard biscuits. We're gonna need nuts. I chopped them in smaller pieces. I'm gonna use pretzels. It's gonna balance that sweetness from biscuit. We're also gonna need 200 grams. Michael, I'm filming. Okay, so what we need, we're gonna need the biscuits. I use biscuit this time, but you can use any other hard, not very crumbly biscuit, because obviously it's gonna go into the liquid, so you don't want to get that very soggy texture. We're gonna need 200 grams of butter. I'm gonna use pretzels as well this time. And this is, I didn't find like plain ones, so this is salty. I don't know, I'm gonna try first time, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna use some mix of nuts, and originally you should put cocoa powder, but I didn't want to use cocoa powder, so I'm gonna use the chocolate chips. Now I got the dark ones, I got 3 packs. I don't know how much I'm gonna need, but I'm gonna use 2 at first, and then if I need some extra, I'm gonna add some extra. And obviously I'm gonna need sweetened condensed milk. So let's begin. So to make butter melt quicker, I'm just gonna cut in smaller pieces. I put some water in my pot. I'm gonna put the butter in this bowl, and then I'm just gonna keep on the steams until it melts. And then I'm gonna add cocoa chips, and then I'll add condensed milk. Can't go any more wrong.
You can actually.
Yeah, no.
You can mess up my dessert.
I need just keep like this. Wait until water gets a little more hot. I think I put a little too much water actually. Okay, our butter got melted. So let's put our chocolate chips. Okay, my little helper. Put in.
Little helper.
Yes, another bag. Thank you. I think 2 is enough now.
You're welcome, little boss.
I like that. I like it a lot. I think it's nice with the chocolate chips. It's better with cocoa than cocoa. When it's all melted and smooth, we're gonna add condensed milk, and then we're gonna put the rest of the ingredients one by one and mix everything carefully. Put in the clam foam and place it in the like a chill drawer or freezer for an hour or 2 until it gets like a thick.
What are you talking about?
Never mind. Never mind.
Oh, smooth.
No, hardens. That's the word I was looking for. Until it hardens. Okay, do you want... Okay, you should. I think it's enough. Don't stop.
No.
Enough.
The more the better. Otherwise, I'm just going to eat it from the tin.
Okay, yeah. Let's just
Yes.
put everything. Give me a spoon, please. Coffee is very nice. To make a black coffee with condensed milk. Very yummy. Very yummy. But also, whoever doesn't tolerate very sweet, I would not advise to do that. Okay, let's put our nuts, pretzels, and biscuits. Let's just smooth and everything. I think we have my camera. I think we have a bit too much mixture.
Is that enough? Does that look like enough?
What do you mean if it is enough?
Rhetorical question.
I think we need more like pretzels or something.
No.
Because if it's gonna be too soft, then it's not gonna harden, Michael. You know, it's not gonna harden that quick.
Alright.
Trust the process, okay? Trust the process.
As always.
As always, yes. Because why not? Make sausage now. Sausage. Do you think this is enough? Can you put this in the bin, please? Okay. Let's do this. I think I'm gonna make like a two sausages.
Two sausages. Make them longer, so then you can roll it up, twist the sides. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
No, don't put it directly in the middle. Put it more on one side.
Kukule. Yes, I need more. You're very right. Very right. Okay. Now let's roll it this way now.
We've got to wrap it more.
Yeah, because it's not enough one layer. Okay, moment of truth. Don't undo completely, just maybe. Proper solid, isn't it? Don't break knife.
Not like you did.
Your cutting skills also amazing. Look at that, looks good. Cut this, cut me a little bit piece from this. Okay.
Not too sweet.
Yummy.